Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Failed to login error. It's easy if you want to fix it. First just type here. Windows Update Settings. First just make sure to install all the updates that you will find here. Just click check for updates and then install all the updates and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just try to open Minecraft, and if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Type here command and now type here this one, ipconfig//dns, and then click enter. And after that, let's move to the next one. Type here net winsock reset and then click enter, and that's it. After that, just try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that also doesn't fix it, go to this one, troubleshooter settings, and click additional troubleshooters, and then scroll down until you find program compatibilities troubleshooter, and click run the program. If you are using T launcher, just scroll down until you find the application that starts with T, like and here's it, T launcher. Now click next, then select first one here and click test program, and then next, and that's it. Then just your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.